Hey guys, can you believe we're only 42 days away from the first beta for iOS 18? Yes, on June 10th, 2024, WWDC will see the first glance at iOS 18. So we're getting really close. This is an exciting time of the year, one of my favorite times of the years as we anticipate what Apple refers to as one of the biggest iOS updates in history. So keep in mind that Apple is referring to iOS 18 as one of the biggest updates coming to the iPhone software in its history. So this one is going to be major. Now, we already know a lot of the new features that are rumored to be coming to the iPhone, but Mark Gurman has chimed in once again and provided us with additional details and features and changes that should be coming to the iPhone with iOS 18 in a little over a month. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is a quick recap for those of you that don't know. Apple is working on a lot of new AI technology to be coming to the iPhone with iOS 18, and Siri will most likely finally get a major update this year, a much needed update with AI technology. Apple is in talks with Google and OpenAI to bring a lot of that technology over to the iPhone with iOS 18, and we could see AI everywhere from Spotlight on the iPhone, from Apple Music to Messages to the Photos application, Notes, Health, everywhere. AI will be integrated within iOS 18, and I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to a lot of the advancements that we could be getting with Siri this year with iOS 18. Now, Apple is also rumored to allow more customization within iOS 18, rather is allowing users to place icons anywhere on the home screen, customizing your icons, different size widgets, perhaps the ability to customize the lock screen shortcuts, and so forth. So we heard that Apple is definitely working on more customization features for iOS 18, and I can't wait to see what these features will provide this year. Now, Apple has also confirmed that RCS support will be coming to the Messages application on the iPhone. So when you message Android devices, it's going to be a better experience overall. So this one is basically confirmed RCS will be coming to the iPhone with iOS 18. Now, there's a new rumor that suggests that the Safari browser will also get what's called a Safari Assistant, Browser Assist. This allows the browser to basically give you a quick summary of a website or an article, and that way you don't have to read the entire article. So a lot of new features with AI coming to Safari as well, according to some of the latest rumors. And the iPad will finally get a calculator application. A default calculator app from Apple is finally coming to the iPad after many years. I know that's not major advancements, but I just wanted to throw that one out there. Now, the AirPods are rumored to be gaining these new hearing aid capabilities, and I'm sure this will probably happen with AirPods Pro 2nd generation and beyond, where you can use your AirPods as hearing aids. This is one of the features we're waiting and hoping to see with iOS 18 come this year in September time frame, when it's typically when Apple releases the next major update for the iPhone alongside the new iPhones, iOS 18. So now let's talk about some of the latest new features and changes that Mark Gurman has provided this week. Okay, so according to Mark Gurman's latest report, there will be a major upgrade to Mail, Photos, Fitness, and Notes, but do not expect a full design overhaul. Now, we already heard that Apple is working to bring Vision OS elements over into iOS with iOS 18. So the operating system will have some Vision OS cues, but won't be an entire overhaul that looks entirely like Vision OS. So basically, with this latest report, he mentions a major upgrade to 4 core applications: Mail, Photo, Fitness, and Notes, but not a full redesign. So basically, the apps will most likely look the same as they do now, or pretty similar to what they do now. However, I'm thinking AI will have a lot to do with this major upgrade that Mark Gurman mentions. We could see auto replies for emails, filtering systems, and things of that nature using AI. We could see a lot of new AI technology built into Photos to eliminate objects and things of that nature. Also, Fitness, we could get personalized suggestions and personalized workouts. We can't really specify exactly what Apple will be doing with these apps, as Mark Gurman did not specify some of the features, but it is a major upgrade coming to all these applications, all these 4 core apps to iOS 18, which I can't wait to see. Again, iOS 18 at WWDC, 42 days away. I'm super excited, guys. Let me know what you think in those comments down below. Are you looking forward to a lot of these changes that we continue to hear about? Again, Apple mentions that iOS 18 will be one of the biggest software updates in its iPhone's history, so I can't wait to get my hands on it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.